Hello guys, this is your man Mr. AB once more again here. Today we are going to look at how we can able to use a calculator to solve the linear equation. This is first of its kind. I have all the breakdowns for you that as you go to your exam you can able to utilize it. Please go ahead, if you haven't subscribed, share with your classmates. A lot of stuff is happening here. Integrated science is coming on board. English language is already on board. Elective mathematics is also already on board. We're going to look at all of it, all in one channel with Media One. So we have a question before us. We want us to solve this equation, and before then, this will be the command that we are going to use, so make sure you follow that. I will add this command also in the description so that you will be in tune with it. So the command is, if you're looking for the variable, you go to the alpha here, and then you pick the variable here. We will be using the x throughout. We are not going to use the y and the m. That stand for something else. So the variable, we will be using the x throughout. And then when we are looking for our equal sign, we also go to the alpha and then the calc, which is a calculate. That will help us to pick our equal sign. And for us to solve too, we will go to the shift up here, and then we will come back to the calc here, and that will help us to solve this. So let's go ahead and do our question number 1. This is a fraction, so we pick our fraction bar, we write our 2, our variable, so we go to the half and the x here, minus 3. We come down, it's divided by 2, put it aside, we bring our operation sign, which is minus. It's a fraction, so we pick our fraction here, and our variable, the half and the x here, minus 1, and the denominator is 3. We push it here. Now we need the equal sign, so we will go to the half and the calc. Here we get our equal sign, and then the number is 1.5, 1.5. Now we need to solve it. We go to the shift and we come to calc here, and that is not the answer. So we go to the equal, and it's saying that left minus the arrow. Remember, when you're solving equation, you put all on one side. So now they are working it out, and then you press equal again, and that give you the answer. So 4, which is a B, and you can work it out. We have already also done solving equation without the calculator. We are teaching you the other side of it, so that as you go to your exams, if it is not coming, you can able to use that, or you can verify your answers with the calculator. We have our next question that came in 2007. Let's go ahead and do that. We pick our fraction 1 on 3 plus another fraction. The y, we are going to use the x for the y because the calculator does not come out with the y. If we use this y, it's another calculation altogether, as I told you guys. So we need our variable. We go to the half, and then we pick the x here. On 4, we need our equal, go to the half, calc, our fractional, then 2, the variable, which is x here, plus 1, all on 5. And then we want to solve it. So the solve is here. So shift, solve, and that equal, and it's subtracting. So that's where it's equal. So this is what we are getting. It's giving us a decimal. So we want to change it. We don't see a decimal. We see mixed fractions and all that. So we come to here, and then that change it to for us. So it's saying 8 or 9. The 8 or 9, which is right here. Okay, so our next question want us to solve for x over here. So let's go ahead. You pick your fractional bar here, and you see that the numerator is mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is over here. So we go to shift and we pick this one that gives us a mixed fraction. So one whole number, 1 on 2. Come to the denominator is also a mixed fraction. So you go to shift and that, and it's 2 whole number, 2 on 3. Then you push it to be on that level. You need an equal, so you go to half and the calc, that will give you equal sign. And you pick your fractional bar. The variable is x, so you go to the half, and then you pick your x here. Then you come to the numerator, which is 96, and now you want to solve it. So solve is over here. So we go to and then calculate and then equal, and it's subtracting. So that means it's solving it, and you click it again, and that give you 54. It's making it easy. Don't be addicted to this. This is for the verification, and as you go to the exams, if you have no other means, then you go ahead and do that. Easy peasy. We have already done solving the linear equation without the calculator, so check that one. I will add it to this video. Check the description, and then you can practice both so that your A will be assured. This question is here, so go ahead. It's fraction. Pick it up. Variable, pick it on 5 and plus 3. Go up and click the cap, and you pick your fraction. A variable, you pick your x, and it's on 3. Then to the other side, plus 5. You want to solve it, so you go to shift, solve, and then equal. So it's going to be negative 15, but if you want the final answer, you click that, and that will pop up. So for x, it's negative 15. So negative 15, which is A. Use a calculator, solve it, and match the answer. So as you go to the exams, you want to be quick, you can use your calculator, you solve it, and then so that you can able to solve all your questions and then come back and recheck it so that your A will be assured. Let's move on to the next question. It's a fractional bar, so you pick your fractional bar. So I'm working all for you here. I want you to see the different scenario that this calculator can able to do. The calculator, the Fx-991 can do all the linear equation, can solve all linear equation if you know how to input it in there, and that is what we are teaching you over here. The variable is y, but we can't use it, so we are using x from the calculator plus 1. The denominator is 2. Then we subtract and we pick another fractional bar, and it's 2. Then the variable, we pick x here, minus 1 on 3, all on 3, equal here, pick the calc, and then 4. Boom. So you see the mistake that I make here, it didn't work. Again, I should have solved it. So be careful with that. You need to learn the procedure the right way we want to solve it. So shift, solve, and then equal, and it's solving. So the negative 19 and equal, and then you see that the answer is C. We're giving you all that you need to be successful in your exams. Let's go ahead and do this last one here. So we pick our fractional bar. So you see that all the questions are fractional. They want you to apply all the applications. So make sure you check how to do it without a calculator. We have already done the video. We will attach it to it so that you guys can able to verify. You need to know that's how they like this kind of question. They will not bring it straightforward for you to solve it. There will be a fraction involved, so you have to learn how to do that. We have a variable p, but the calculator doesn't have a variable p, so we're going to use a variable x. So we go to our f and we pick our x here, plus 2, all on 6, then you push aside your sign, and then another fractional variable is x, minus 3, all on 3, so it's equals to x. And now we're about to solve it, so we go to shift, solve, and equal, and then equal. So here we see that we are getting a decimal. We want to change it because we don't see a decimal. We see a positive 1 something, so it's going to be one of them. It's going to be either C or D, we don't know it. So let's go to here. We are changing it to a standard form, and here it's giving us 8 on 7. But you and I know that this is an improper fraction. So here you go the one whole number, and then you put your 7 here, and then 7 times 1, you subtract it from 8, that give you 1. So the answer have to be this. And where is it? It's at D. Awesome. So I mean, sometimes you will get a decimal. You can also convert the multiple choice to decimal and see which one corresponded. But you can also use a calculator to change it to the improper fraction. But you have to be able to know how you can able to change it to the mixed fraction to get your right answer. Guys, we have done it all. So the calculator can do all equations for you. So thank you for tuning in and staying with me all the way to the end. Share with your classmates, share with your friends, and let them all come here. All the subject is coming: English, integrated science, relative mathematics, core mathematics, and more, all in one channel. Please go ahead and subscribe, and see you in the next video. I wish you the best and the best in your upcoming exams, in your WASSCE exams. Be blessed. Bye bye.